Okay, here's the before shot here. We'll get the before and the after. Hey, bud. Hi. Jeez. Thank you. What a pretty sight.
Beautiful.
Wow. Very nice.
Now you have to give us copies of all those. Oh, we will.
That wasn't brave.
Well, right now I'm up to about 6 gigs of pictures.
I had my camera and
Oh, is that pretty? Wow.
I had face stockings and heels on. I took my heels off and was standing there. They were real light nylon.
Yeah.
My mom looked down at my feet. She went, "Are you okay?"
Makes it feel dry.
Interesting.
Summer's here. Yeah.
Okay, turn around, look at me, Ellen. Well, not all the way, but just enough turn it one way or the other. So, oh, that's all right. It's wet.
Sorry. Sideways. My power motor quit.
I know how to go back.
Oh, he'll go down to nothing when he gets here. Oh, that is such a pretty sight. Oh my goodness. That is really nice.